Hey guys, wanna know how to reset your settings in Steampunk Frontier mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up the PUBG Mobile game, and once you're there, on the bottom right here you can see this arrow icon right here. Simply click on it, and once you're there, select settings on the top right here. Now once you're under settings, in order to restore defaults, you can head towards graphics, and now just simply select any one of these. So for our default one, just simply go to better graphics, balanced or better frame rate, your choice. Now next thing you can do is just simply hit towards customize buttons and customize your character, vehicles, special vehicles. So simply hit towards customize. I'll go for special vehicles this time, and event specific vehicle, that is the Titan. So simply select customize, and now to reset, just simply select reset right here and then select reset again. After that, right here you can see the controls has been reset successfully, and once that is done, simply select save and exit, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you change or reset your controls in Steampunk Frontier. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.